Master.
Sabado't Linggo.
Let's get started!
Takin.
Taking shirts, accessories, and please,
Takin na. Nice coach.
Ano yung bola?
Go rep.
Takin ka. Technical kita.
Technical si ano, si Kurt. Nasabi na ba? Coach, si ano si Kurt, naka-blue.
Oo, tatawag si coach. Swerte.
Kagat si Padilla ako, boys.
2 minuto pa lang, 4 ka na kagad sa akin. Foul out na, foul out. Sinat pa naman ako.
Hindi lang yung takbo-takbo kasi ng kanunong.
Ay, si Virgo, may nagsasabihin mo eh.
Oo, tatlo kayo dyan, coach. Virgo.
Technical shot, technical shot.
technical shot, Renz.
Reds.
Let's get it on! Technical shot for Torres, good.
Personal foul yun, di ba?
Personal. Personal foul for Kurt Salvador.
First.
First team foul for Ginto.
Kabila.
Higing. Nakuha ang bola. Pass to Pakinggan. Pakinggan, nadulas. Pakinggan, pass to outside.
Oy, that's go!
Pakinggan, pass to Higing. Vergara for 3.
Iging Vergara, 3!
Posada for 3. Babawi.
Janjan Posada, 3!
Pakinggan, pass to Kurt Salvador. Nabitawan pero recovered by Pakinggan. Pass to Vergara for the 3 again. No good. Rebound by Abetar. Naghahanap ng papasahan. Pinasa kay Janjan. Posada, dumidiskarte. Fakes. Back to Abetar. Pass to Malyari. No good. Rebound by Rubio. Dribbling the ball. Intercepted by Junjun Torre. Pinasa kay Malyari. Dumidiskarte. Bumangga sa pader. Higing Vergara nakuha ang bola. Pass to Pakinggan. Pass to Buan for 3. No good. Nabitawan niya ni Junjun. Nakuha ni Kurt Salvador. Pass to Higing Vergara. Dumidiskarte. Vergara supalpal by Abetar. Janjan Posada bumababa. To Torre for 3. No good. Rebound by Buan. Pass to Vergara for the layup. No good. Torre umikot.
Junjun Torre! Foul on number
Kanina.
Foul on number 22, Iging Vergara.
Pwede ba? Per second.
First personal foul, second team foul.
Ano score? 6-3. Sorry sa scores. guys. Lilito ako.
Junjun Torre.
Pakinggan, crossover. Pakinggan, no good. Outside. Nice call by referee EY. Jan Posada. Pass to Gamat. Back to Posada. Tumira sa 3. No good. Rebound by Abetar. Abetar, pinasa kay Maron. Maron, pass to Junjun. Junjun for 3.
Junjun Torre 3.
Kurt Salvador. Nabitawan. Nakuha yan ni Maron Malyari. Malyari dumidiretso. Lumayap. No good. Iging Vergara. Naghanap ng papasahan. Pero tinira.
Iging Vergara.
Posada. Dumidiskarte. Abet fix. Pass to Malyari. May nakitang foul.
Foul. Foul on number 3. Maron Malyari. First personal foul. First team foul.
Dead ball sab. Rubio. Pass to Pakinggan. Pakinggan. Setting up. Naghahanap ng papasahan. Rubio. Free for 3. No good. Rebound by Jan. Javier. To Junjun Torre for 3. No good. Rebound by Posada. Pero nakuha ni Malyari yan. Back to Posada. 4-3.
Jan Posada 3.
No good by Iging. Sorry miss by Vergara. Junjun Torre with a power move. Junjun for the shot. No good. Rebound by Kurt. Pakinggan nagbababa ng bola. Pakinggan with a sidestep. Bad pass. Nakuha ni Abet. Pass to Junjun. Pass to Maron. Maron Malyari. Back to Gamat. Back to Malyari.
Maron Malyari.
16-5. Rubio. Lays up. No good. Jan Posada. Posada. Pumukol ng 3. No good. Buwan. Pass to Iging. Iging. Tumira sa 3. No good pa rin. Rubio. Easy lang daw sabi. Salvador. Back to Rubio. Rubio setting up. Slices through the defenders is good.
Para Rubio.
Abet Javier. Pass to Jan. Posada. Naghahanap ng kakampi. Majo. Pass to Malyari. Back to Abetar. Abetar supalpal by Iging. Pero nakuha yan ni shot clock violation by Pilak. What a defensive sequence by Ginto. Substitute.
Substitution.
No good. Rebound by Javier Pinasa kay Junjun Torre. To Posada. Posada crosses over. Posada back to Yamio. Yamio for the shot. No good. May nakitang foul si Rep.
Foul on number 11, Junjun Torre. First personal foul, second team foul. 16-7. Lamang ang Pilak. 3 minutes and 45 seconds remaining in the first quarter.
Vergara. Ganda ng pasa sa ilalim. Back to Buwan. Buwan no good. Power rebound by Ilaw. Posada pass to Torre.
Junjun Torre.
For the shot is good. Vergara, naistilan yan. Torre again. Crossing over.
Junjun Torre.
Timeout kayo, boys. Pessi move. Pero nabitawan ni Kurt. Posada nagbababa. Posada. Nakuha ni Yamiop. Pass to Torre.
Janjan Posada. Foul on number 7, Pakinggan. First personal foul. 13th foul.
Counted yun, no?
Counted. Pakinggan. Pass to Buan. Buan. Pass to Iking. Iking. Dumiskarte. What a pass to Rubio. May nakitang foul.
Ilaw.
Foul on number 22, Ivan Ilaw.
First third.
First personal foul, 13th foul.
First shot is good by R.R. Rubio. Second shot. Wala yan. Rebound by Abetar. Sneakers, apparel at iba pa. Adasop. Posada, pass to Junjun Torre. Torre setting up. Pass to Ilaw. Back to Posada. Posada, pass to Javier. Umikot. Tumira. No good. Rebound by Buan. Iking, sabi. Sige, go, go, go. Iking. What a pass to Rubio again. Oy! No foul. Torre.
Junjun Torre.
Suko ah.
Pakinggan. Pakinggan lays up. No good. Pakinggan again. No good yan. Torre. Fast break yan.
Junjun Torre. Time out. Ginto. (25-8) lamang ang pila. 1 minute and 35 seconds remaining in the first quarter.
Try mo. Lobat. Be.
Alin? Kala ko yung
Matay yung wifi, alright.
Shoutout sa iyo, Charchadong Escabeche. Wala ka sa pilak ngayon.
Pilak. Amin. Pilak. Amin. Tagal mo rin ang pilak.
Foul. Foul on number 22, Ivan Ilaw. Second personal foul, first team foul, ay, fourth team foul, sorry.
First shot is good by R.R. Rubio.
Tawagan ko. Nailabas lang yun dyan eh.
Second shot is good. 2 off to yan by R.R. Rubio. Janjan Posada setting up the play. Pass to Majo. Majo pass to Junjun. Intercepted by Iking Vergara. Vergara pass to Rubio. Rubio lays up.
Ara Rubio.
Janjan Posada nagse-set ng play. Pass to Gamat for the shot.
Majo Gaman.
Kurt, pass to Rubio. Nakuha yan ng pilak. Yamio, pass to Torre. Torre, pass to Posada. Binalik pero intercepted by Iging. Rubio fakes, Rubio shoots. No good. Recovers.
Ara Rubio.
Posada setting up again. 13 seconds remaining. Ilaw for 3. No good.
Yamio. And that's the end of the first quarter. Ang score 29-14. Lamang ang pilak.
Sabado't Linggo dito sa OSMPL nagsasalo. March Sabado nights, tara na't maglaro. March Sabado nights, buong pamilya
Ang
kasalo.
score, 31-14.
March Sabado nights, angat ang antas ng laro. March Sabado nights, dito magsama-sama tayo. Dito
pa yan end of
magsama-sama
regulation, ha?
tayo.
Sorry, ah.
Yeah, dito magsama-sama tayo.
ba
Let's
yun?
go!
Ano mahanap?
End of the first quarter. Second quarter.
Pasok ka na.
Sino pre? Nakashoot.
Yamio 3.
20-point lead by Pilak. Rubio for the shot. No good. Rebound by Kurt Salvador for the shot. Is good.
Kurt Salvador.
Posada setting up again. Posada to Torre. Torre, pass to Yamio. What a pass to Maron. Pero naagawan yan. Same ball.
Same ball.
Posada. Nakuha ni Buwan. Kurt Salvador. Libreng-libre yan for the fast break.
Kurt Salvador.
Junjun for 3. No good. Rebound by Yamio. Pass to Posada for 3. No good. Rebound by Torre. Torre, no good pa rin yan. Posada for 3. Wala pa din. Buwan for the rebound. Buwan, hinagis kay Kurt Salvador. Salvador, lays up. No good. Posada, sinundatan ni Iging pero recovered. Yamio, no good for the 3. Hinagis kay Kurt Salvador for the shot. Is good.
Kurt Salvador.
14-point lead by Pilak. Junjun, no good. Iging, pass to Salvador. Salvador dumidiskarte. Salvador pumeke, tumira. Kapos, nakuha ni Rubio. Rubio fakes, Rubio shoots.
Ara Rubio.
12 na lang ang kalamangan ng Pilak. Posada, pass to Yamio. Yamio to Magat. Back to Yamio. Pass to Posada again. Posada hesitates, shoots.
Janjan Posada.
Kurt Salvador for the shot.
Kurt Salvador.
Torre, bullet pass to Janjan. Janjan pass to Magat. Ay! Magat. Sorry, gamat pala.
3 seconds.
Time out. Time out. Time out.
I'm out, Ginto.
Pre, yun, time out to, pre.
Wala nang time out dito, ah.
Seconds, 30 seconds.
Ginto, wala na kayong timeout for the first half.
Pilak. Dalawa pa.
Pilak, meron pa kayong dalawang timeout.
Yun lang. 300.
Shoutout sa ating live viewers. Si Ann Lewings, nandito si Alan. Pero nasa bench. Ayan na, papasok na yata. Di pa ba? Yeah, Alan, si Ann Lewings, nasa ka daw? Wala ka daw.
Back to the ball game. 36-24, lamang ang pila. 7 minutes and 8 seconds remaining in the second quarter.
Buwan, no good. Rebound by Abet. Javier, pass to Junjun. Inagis kay Posada.
John Posada.
Vergara for 3. No good. Rebound by Buwan. Nagagawa. Niya nakuha ni Yamio. Junjun Torre. Umikot. Junjun, dumidiskarte. Pass to Posada. Back to Junjun.
Junjun Torres.
Junjun Janjan connection. Wow, intercepted by Javier pero outside.
Ginto ball.
14 seconds yan.
Wow, what a move by Iki pero wala yan.
Pilak ball.
No good by Abet Javier. Iking nagmamadali. Bullet pass to Salvador. Nabitawan ni Salvador pero recovered. Vergara, nabitawan din yan. Salvador for 3. No good. Rebound by Iking. Iking for the shot.
Iging Vergara.
Gamat.
Majo Gaman.
Buwan. Pass to Vergara. Vergara dumidiskarte. Vergara, pass to Court Salvador for 3. No good. Rebound by Buwan. No good pa rin. Posada nagbaba ng bola. Posada, naghanap ng kakampi. Posada, poposte.
John Posada.
Iking Vergara, pass to Rubio. Rubio for the shot.
Foul number 4, Yamio. First personal foul, first team foul. 2 shots for Ara Rubio.
First shot is good by Ara Rubio. Suking-suki sa free throw line. Second shot is no good. Rebound by Abet. Inagis kay Majo. Pass to Posada. Posada. Pass to Ilaw. Ilaw for 3. No good. Rebound by Iking. Pass to Kurt. Hinagis kay Rubio. Rubio nabitawan ng konti. Rubio fakes. Rubio shoots.
Ara Rubio.
Posada setting up. Abet Javier nakita ng magandang lane.
Abet Javier 3.
3-pointer by Abet Javier is brought to you by Abetar Stickers Apparel at iba pa. Vergara pass to Rubio. Pass to Buwan. Buwan for the layup. No good. Rebound by Buwan again. Junjun Torre for the layup.
Junjun Torre.
Pakinggan. Aras by Jack Majo. Iging Vergara for 3.
Iging Vergara 3.
Junjun Torre. Torre, intercepted, pero outside yan.
Same ball.
Posada. Naghahanap ng papasahan si Posada. Posada fakes. Posada for the 3.
John Posada 3.
20 points again. Ang lamang ng pilak. This matchup is number 1 and number 4. Will go straight to the semifinals. Vergara for 3. Babawi? Hindi. Malyari. Pass to Posada. Posada to Malyari. Malyari for the shot. It's good.
Baron Malyari. May pickle ball.
Posada. Ang tagal niyan sa 3.
John Posada 3.
Rubio. Rubio pass to Kurt. Kurt Salvador for the shot is good.
Kurt Salvador.
What a move by Majo!
Majo Gaman.
Salvador stops and pops, no good. Abet naghanap ng papasahan, pass to Ilaw. Iban Ilaw for 3. Wala. Hinagis yan ni Rubio. Rubio to Buan. Buan libreng-libre.
Albert Buwan.
Posada, pass to Javier. Javier, fix, Javier. Nabitawan niya, nakuha ni Malyari. Malyari for the shot, no good. Hinagis, napunta nga lang kay Posada. No good pa rin yan kay Posada, pero recovered. Ilaw, fix, pass to Malyari. Malyari for the running shot.
Baron Malyari.
Rubio. Rubio fakes, Rubio for the shot.
Rubio. Score is 61 to 38. Majo Gama 3. Pilak ball.
Posada. Posada fades away. Wala. Siya pa rin ang nakarebound niyan. Posada for 3.
John Posada 3.
Libreng-libre si Rubio.
Rubio.
Basket yun?
Basket.
Sabado't linggo dito sa OSMBL
And that's the
nagsasalo.
end of the first half.
March Sabado
Ang
Nights,
score
tara na
67 to
maglaro.
40.
March
Mga
Sabado
pila
Nights, buong
sa
pamilya
ating
kasalo.
number 1
March
versus
Sabado
number 4
Nights, angat
matchup.
ang antas
Pila
ng
ko
laro.
bola, pila.
March Sabado Nights, dito magsama-sama tayo. Dito magsama-sama tayo.
Pagpahingayin mo lang yung ano
Dito
sa
magsama-sama tayo. Let's go! linggo dito sa OSMBL nagsasalo. Oh, March, Sabado nights, tara na't maglaro. Oh, March, Sabado nights, buong pamilya'y kasalo. Oh, March, Sabado nights, angat ang antas ng laro. Oh, March, Sabado nights, dito magsama-sama tayo. Dito magsama-sama tayo. Yeah! Dito magsama-sama tayo. Let's go! Mga laro
Dito naman kay Rio.
Sabado't linggo dito sa OSMBL nagsasalo. Oh, March, Sabado nights, tara na't maglaro. Oh, March, Sabado nights, buong pamilya'y kasalo. Oh, March, Sabado nights, angat ang antas ng laro. Oh, March, Sabado nights, dito magsama-sama tayo. Dito magsama-sama tayo.
Ayan na. Ayan na. Pahingay mo muna sila. Huwag pa na magpahingay. Kailangan mo mag-ano. Self-image. Sino ba nasa kabilang team? Wala naman.
Hinto. Ball.
Hinto.
Anong first name ni Yami?
John Paul. John Paul Yamyo.
Ano, okay na?
Okay, mapatawag. Sana.
Third quarter.
Ginto, ginto.
Ginto.
Laruin nyo na lang. Kaya magka...
Buwan, pass to Pakinggan. Pakinggan, naghahanap. Rubio. Rubio, what a pass to Buwan, nabitawan. Sayang. Posada, nagmamadali. Posada, crosses over. Posada again. Intercepted by Rubio. Nagmamadali si Kurt Salvador. Salvador for the layup.
Kurt Salvador.
Junjun Torre. Pass to Ivan Ilaw. Maron Malyari. Back to Junjun Torre. Torre pass to John Paul Yamio. Pass to Posada for 3.
John Posada, 3.
No mercy ang pinapakita ng pilak. Pakinggan. Pass to Rubio. Iging Vergara. Pinas sa ilalim, pero nakuha yan. Posada, Hinages, intercepted by Pakinggan, pero recovered by Junjun Torre. Junjun for the shot. No good. Pakinggan, pass to Vergara. Vergara for the layup.
Iging Vergara.
Posada. Junjun, tumidiskarte. Junjun, pinasa, kaso intercepted. Kurt Salvador. What a move by Kurt. Wala nga lang. Sorry miss by Kurt Salvador. What a pass to Junjun, pero naagawan. Buwan. Naagawan din yan. Maron Malyari. Malyari to Ivan. Ilaw for the shot, no good. Rubio, Hinages, intercepted by Posada. Posada for 3 fakes. For 3 again.
John Posada, 3.
Rubio, pass to Vergara. Vergara for the shot. No good. Pero may foul na nakita.
Foul on number 22, Iging Vergara.
Ilaw.
Ay, sorry. Ilaw pala, sorry.
Ivan Ilaw para, sorry.
Third first. Third first. Sabi daw eh.
Eh, pag wala pang binibigyan ng referee, huwag muna kayo mga... Yes, sir.
No good pa rin kay Iking.
Maron Mayari.
Rubio 4-3. No good. Kurt Salvador for the shot.
Kurt Salvador.
Yamio, pass to Posada. Posada, pass to Torre. Torre for 3. No good. Rebound by Pakinggan. Hinagis kay Kurt Salvador. Nabitawan.
Substitution.
Torre pass to Yamio for 3. No good. Rebound by Gamat. No good pa rin. Kurt Salvador nagbababa. Kurt. Lays up.
Kurt Salvador.
Posada. Hesitates. Posada again. May nakitang foul kay number
Foul on number 72. Rob Pakinggan.
Second first.
His second personal foul. First team foul. 2 shots for Janjan Posada.
Sama-sama tayo.
1 of 2 by Janjan Posada. Buwan for the layup. No good pa rin. Di pa rin makabutas si Buwan. Posada. Pass to Torre. For 3. No good. Rebound by Malyari. Malyari for the shot. Rebound by Torre for the shot. No good pa rin. Rebound by Iking. Iking. Pasa kay Buwan. Back to Kurt Salvador.
Kurt Salvador.
Yamio, pass to Maron. Malyari, pass to Junjun. Junjun, tumira ng 3. No good. Rebound by Rubio. Pass to Salvador. Salvador, dumidiskarte. Lays up.
Kurt Salvador.
Gamat, 4-3. No good. Vergara for the layup. Kinapos yan, pero nando si Rubio.
Ara Rubio.
Foul pre.
Second.
Foul on Kurt Salvador. Second personal foul. Timeout, Quinto.
James, ano shot clock ngayon, James? 14.
Score is 76 to 54. 4 minutes and 2 seconds remaining in the third quarter.
Yakits! Shot clock niyan, 14. 14. Shot clock. Shot lock niya, o 24 pa rin.
Kung alin yung natira.
Pinol yan eh.
Mali yung pare. Under 2 minutes lang yung pag may nagtanong. Tapos pagpipiliin mo 40 na 20.
Ano ba wala din yan? Pinol. Huwag mong papalitan yung shot lock. Kung bumaba sa 40, papalitan pa. Pero pagka yung pinag mo na babalik sa 20. 40 mo na hindi lang yung kung ano yung shot lock na natapos ng Pinol.
Baser.
Back to the ball game.
Ako lang tinatanong. Kailan mo yun kaya? Panalo kayo mag-apot? Tapos 3 points mo lang ako. Ang pwede sa akin, pwede lang isa yun, 10 lang.
Maron for 3.
Maron Malyari, 3.
Buwan for the layup.
Albert Buwan.
Malyari back to Posada. Posada setting up. Naghahanap ng kakampi. Posada pass to Gamat. Gamat pass to Yamiop. Junjun to Malyari. Malyari for 3.
Maron Malyari, 3. John Posada, 3. Majo Gamat. Kurt Salvador, 3. Score is 87-59. 2 minutes and 45 seconds remaining in the third quarter.
Yamiop for the shot. It's good.
John Paul Yamio.
Kurt for 3. No good. Rebound by John Posada. Sabi easy lang. Milking the clock. Yamiop for 3.
John Paul Yamio, 3.
Wow.
Ralph Pakinggan.
Wala pa rin yan for Kurt. Off night talaga ang ginto. 5 lang sila eh.
Offline na. Offline niya. Opaline.
Maron for 3 na naman.
Maron Malyari, 3.
Parang nahawa kay Kabubas no kahapon ha. Salvador, libreng-libre yan.
Kurt Salvador.
Pen Malyari. Yamio for 3. Iging Vergara. Foul ba?
Foul on number 13, Maron Malyari. Second personal foul, second team foul.
Pakinggan for 3. No good. Junjun Torre for 3. No good pa rin. Iging nabitawan ng bola. Pilak ball. Posada for 3.
John Posada, 3.
Daming binitawang tres ni Posada. Rubio, no good. Posada again for 3. No good yan. Posada again. Wala pa rin.
Traveling.
Rubio for the shot. Libreng-libre.
Ara Rubio. Ang score 98 to 65. Lamang ang pila
Sabado
in
Linggo,
our end
dito
of the
sa
third
OSMBL
quarter.
nagsasalo. O March
Pahinga
Sabado
muna,
nights,
pahinga.
tara na at maglaro. O March Sabado nights, buong pamilya'y kasalo. O March Sabado nights, angat ang antas ng laro. O March Sabado nights, dito magsama-sama tayo. Dito magsama-sama tayo. Yeah! Dito magsama-sama tayo. Let's
Elabol.
go!
Baser na, Pen. Ha? Baser. Nag-usap pa kayo dito. Wala pang malagang rap. Ano bahala dyan? Hindi, ayaw nila rap eh. Ayaw nila rap.
Dol, ayaw na Dol. Ayaw na.
Baser na, nangigigil na sa'yo ito. Bakit ko lang tanda kayo konti?
Baser mo na yan, Dol.
Fourth quarter.
Kaya pa ba guys? King! King! Running ko na. Running ko na. Tira mo na, tira mo.
Arloy Perlado. Appearance. Ngayon lang pumasok.
Alex Perlado yan.
Junjun. Pass to Gama. No good. Kurt, tubuan. Wala pa rin. Buwan again.
Albert Buwan.
Abit Javier, Nandadaya. Torre for the layup. Rebound by Ilaw. Ilaw for 3, no good. Torre para nakakuha ng bola. Torre for 3. Wala.
Technical foul on Arloy Perlado.
Aray ba, technical!
First personal foul, first team foul. Technical free throw by Kurt Salvador.
Advantage ba?
Oh, yata. Pa din ba? Kurt for 3. No good. Rebound by Iking. Iking, pass to Kurt. Pass to Pakinggan. Pakinggan for 3. No good pa rin. Rubio to Salvador. Fix. Salvador for 3. Wala pa din.
Sa laban. Tapos sa boxing.
Alroy. To Junjun. Back to Alroy. Titira yan ng 3? Hindi. Abetar. Abetar to back to Torre. Torre for the 3. No good. Rebound by Buwan. Buwan. Nagawa ni Majo. Abetabier for the shot. Wala pa rin. Pakinggan for 2.
Pakinggan. 98 to 69. Lamang ang pila. Foul, traveling.
Pag tinectical pa yan, isa, thrown out na yan.
Pasok lang yun.
Rubio to Pakinggan. Pakinggan for 3. No good. Rebound by Abet. Abet, pass to Majo. Naagawan, recovered, outside.
Ginto, ball. (98 to 69). 7 minutes and 17 seconds remaining in the fourth and final quarter.
Sino yan?
Albert Buwan, 3.
Abet, pass to Alroy. Alroy dumiskarte. Alroy nabitawan, may nakitang foul.
Foul on number 22. Higing Vergara. Second personal foul, first team foul. 2 shots for Alroy Bernardo.
Yakol.
Kinapos ang second free throw. Buwan for 3. No good. Abet Javier, pass to Gamat. Gamat, pass to Ilaw. Ilaw for 3. No good. Rebound by Alroy. Pass to Abet.
Abetar, Sneakers Apparel at iba ba?
Wala pa rin.
Lifting.
Vergara for 3. No good. Rebound by Buwan. Buwan for the shot. Wala pa rin. Buwan again. Binangga si Abet. Wala pa din yan. Higing Vergara for the shot.
Higing Vergara. Yellow ball.
Pakinggan. Nagmamadali. Pakinggan. Naagawan. Alroy Perrado. Wala yan.
Alroy Perlado. Higing Vergara.
Alroy for 3. No good. Tulang pala. Abetar for 3. No good. Kurt Salvador.
Higing Vergara.
Four minutes.
Black ball. Ay, sorry, yellow ball. Substitution. Iging Vergara, 3. Junjun Torres. Maron Mayari. R.R. Rubio.
Third second.
All on the King Vergara. Third personal foul, second team foul. Albert Buwan.
Passer mo na.
That's the end of the ball game. Ang score 107-85. At panalo ang Pilak. They're going to the semis. Maraming salamat sa Team Ginto. Maraming salamat sa inyong kooperasyon. Picture muna tayo, Ginto tsaka Pilak. Picture muna tayo.
Patayin ko na ito, ano?
Kapre.
Wag!
Sabado't Linggo dito sa OSMBL nagsasalo.